Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rodel Flordeliz and welcome to Nognog in the City Unboxing. For today, we'll be unboxing this package that came all the way from Hong Kong. Actually, dumating to a few days ago, and it came from the brand called Circle DNA. Yeah, this is the box. It's called the Circle Premium DNA Collection Kit. And as you heard, this is basically a DNA test kit that you can use at home. This one can really help us improve our health. Kasi malalaman natin kung ano ba yung history natin, sa bloodline ba natin, meron ba tayong, nagkikarry ba tayo ng sakit. What I really wanted to know is my ethnicity. I'm super curious ako about my ethnicity, and I'm a full-blooded Filipino, but I also wanted to know kung ano ba yung heritage ko, saan ba talaga kami nanggaling, yung Flordeliz clan, ayan. And aside from that, of course, it's very useful as well to know kung ano ba yung mga sakit na maaaring meron ako or na hindi ko pa nalalaman na nasa genes ko pala. Maaari ko ring maraman dito yung mga diet na nababagay sa akin or yung mga nutritions that I would really need for me to be more healthy. The Circle Premium can actually give us a diet, 15 reports on diet, 36 reports on cancer risk, 8 reports on common health risk, 163 reports on family planning, nutrition, 20 reports, dementia and brain health, disease risk, drug response, sports and fitness, stress and sleep, ancestry, skin, physical traits, personality traits, behavioral traits, success traits, gender traits, music and dance, pollution, and well-being as well. That is actually a lot of information that you can basically use to help you out on your day-to-day living. So, aside from that, if you're going to purchase this item, you can have a lifetime subscription to DNA updates, including new categories and reports. There's a 30-minute consultation with a genetic counselor and a 30-minute consultation with a genetics-trained health coach. Ayan. And of course, the result will be ready within 18 business days from the receipt of a sample at our laboratory. So after using this one, we'll be returning this to the lab for testing, and it will take 18 working days before I could be able to get the result. So now let's open the box and check out what's inside. Okay, so this is what it contains. So meron siyang say hello to you, of course. It's a handwritten letter coming from the CEO and co-founder of Circle DNA, Danny Yong. Okay, let's move on sa ating DNA collection kit. So ito na yung kit na sinasabi ko a while ago. So ito lang actually yung laman ng box natin. And let's open it up. Okay, so when you open the box, you can actually see yung first step natin here, which is actually register this kit. I already registered. You can, if ever, you can actually check on the App Store or the Google Store yung kanilang application. So remember guys to download the application first, and of course to register the first before using this or before returning the kit to them. Kasi they will not process it unless you registered on the application. Okay, so that's the first step. So I'm already done with it. So ayan, this is the swab thingy that we will be using. Ayan, so hindi ko alam kung kita nyo guys, but ito na yun. So meron naman instruction kung saan bubuksan. So open here. Let's open it up. Sige, buksan na natin. Ba't kinakabahan ako? And so let's open it up. There we go. Wag lang natin nahahawakan yung tip, guys. And okay, so here is our swab. So the next instruction here, the next step is to rub this one on our cheeks inside the mouth. Okay, so i-rub na natin 10 times, guys. Here it goes. Okay na siguro. So ayan na guys, narab na natin sa cheeks. Next natin is place in tube dun sa ating test tube. Ayan, so ito yung ating test tube. So we will be putting yung ating stick here sa ating test tube. So ayan, so meron siyang parang liquid inside guys, yung ating test tube. So buksan lang natin siya, and then we will be putting yung ating pinang swab. Tapos, etong swab natin, thingy natin yung stick. Meron siyang parang line. So, we will be, ayan, kita ba? Ayan, so we are going to put now inside it. There you go. So, and then we are cutting it. We are going to break it. So, break na natin. Then, cover it up. Okay, shake. Cover tip completely with liquid inside the tube. Okay, so, we are going to shake it 10 times. Seal in bag. Okay. So, do not remove the absorbent pad. Okay, so meron ditong kasamang sample return bag. Oh, okay. So, meron tayo dito. Ilalagay natin sa loob. We are going to put it inside. And then we are going to seal it. So, and then we are sealing it. Put it back in the box. And return it. Okay guys, so ito na balik na natin sa box. And of course, they also included a return package. Ayan, meron silang pinadala dito na return package. We are going to put it back here and then ibabalik na natin dun sa laboratory for testing. And there you go. That's a simple DNA test that I did here sa aking bahay, and we'll be returning this in a few, siguro tomorrow. I'll be scheduling a return tomorrow. And of course, after 18 working or business days, doon natin malalaman kung ano yung resulta ng ating DNA test. So, I'll be doing or creating another video after siguro next month for me to show you kung ano yung resulta ng ating DNA test. So, I hope this video has been very helpful to all of you, and I know this is such a very interesting product that you might want to try very soon, and you can just actually check out their website, Circle DNA. There you go. I hope this video has been very helpful and interesting to all of you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, put a thumbs up on this video, and of course, share nyo na rin po ang ating videos for today. Follow me on my other social media accounts, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and as well as on Kumu. Until next time, this is Nognog in the City. Ciao!